Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make pie gag easy guide. Use a soft cream pie, safe makeup, and a light hand when planning the surprise. I walk you through choosing a pie, prepping props, and practicing the throw safely. We cover consent, cleanup, and ways to make the gag playful rather than mean. Stick around for tips on timing and reactions so your prank stays fun and harmless. I start with safety basics for a pie gag so everyone enjoys the joke. Choose a cream pie with a soft filling and no glass or hard parts. Keep distance, aim for shoulder level, and avoid faces if unsure. Practice your throw with a lightweight substitute to control force. Discuss the prank with at least one accomplice and confirm the recipient will be a good sport. Emphasize quick cleanup and a friendly laugh. When you're ready, take a deep breath and keep your movements relaxed to avoid injury. Use a gentle arc and let the pie land on the shoulder or chest rather than full face for safer reactions. Have towels and a trash bag nearby for fast cleanup. Offer the recipient immediate help and a towel, and turn the moment into a laugh instead of embarrassment. Capture reactions only with consent and keep.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.